Hey everyone, you're going to want to hear this. If you're looking to make a real, serious move in your tech career, you've clicked on the right explainer. Today, we are diving into a massive, and I mean massive, opportunity from Amazon Web Services that could totally change the game for you. Let's get right into it.
So, I want to start with a super direct question. How would you like to boost your IT career without spending a single penny? Because if you're nodding your head right now, then you're really going to want to pay attention for the next few minutes.
First, let's just quickly set the scene here. We need to talk about a hurdle that pretty much anyone in the tech world knows all too well: the upskilling challenge.
You know how it is. Tech moves at the speed of light, right? To stay competitive, you have to be learning all the time, constantly updating your skills. And getting those really high-quality, industry-recognized certifications, well, that can cost a small fortune. It's this constant pressure to invest a ton of time and money just to stay in the game.
But what if that big financial barrier was just gone? That brings us to the main event, and this is where things get really exciting. We're talking about AWS's game-changing new offer.
And you know what? I don't think I can say it any better than our source material did, with count 'em, 4 exclamation points. This is huge. That's the level of excitement we're dealing with here. Because an announcement like this, it just doesn't happen every day.
So, what is all the fuss about? Here it is. Amazon Web Services is offering completely free access to their premium exam prep courses on their Skill Builder platform. And yes, you heard me right. The premium stuff, the content you normally have to pay for, is now available for absolutely nothing. And they're not just offering any old certifications. No, this covers 2 of the hottest credentials in the industry right now. You've got the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. That's kind of your golden ticket into the world of cloud computing. And then there's the AWS AI Practitioner, which puts you right on the cutting edge of artificial intelligence. These are seriously valuable things to have on your resume.
Okay, so what does premium actually get you? What are we really talking about here? Let's break down exactly what you're getting access to.
To really get it, you gotta see the comparison. So on the right, you've got the stuff AWS always gives away for free, practice questions, training events, and that's great. But look at the left. This is the good stuff they've unlocked. We're talking official practice exams, hands-on labs with SimuLearn, the AWS Escape Room for some fun gamified learning, plus flashcards and real structured learning plans. This isn't just a textbook. This is the whole toolkit you need to actually pass these exams.
Okay, so this is a fantastic deal. We've established that. But it's worth asking, why are they doing this? And why now? Because, there's always a strategy behind moves like this.
And the analysis in our source really nails it. AWS is removing friction on purpose. Think about it. By making it way easier and cheaper for people like you and me to get certified, they're growing their entire ecosystem of skilled pros who know their platform inside and out. It's a really smart way to lower that barrier to entry.
But what their strategy means for you is actually pretty simple. If you've been even thinking about adding cloud and AI skills to your resume, and honestly you really should be, this whole thing is a complete and total no-brainer. It's a direct, free path to getting some of the most in-demand skills on the planet.
So let's wrap this all up and talk about your next career move, because it is time to get going. This whole opportunity really boils down to 3 key things. It's free, it's practical, and it's time limited.
First, and maybe most importantly, it's free. Like $0, 0 cents, absolutely nothing free. The biggest hurdle for so many people, the cost, is just gone.
Second, it's practical. This isn't just theory. With those hands-on labs and official practice exams, you are getting the real-world, applicable skills that companies are desperate to hire for right now.
And third, and this is the part you really need to hear, it is time limited. This amazing offer is not going to be around forever. There's a ticking clock, which means now is the time to jump on this.
And here is that deadline. You have until January 5th, 2026 to use this free premium access. Now, I know that sounds like it's a long way away, but we all know how fast time flies. Don't let this be one of those things you wish you'd done.
So I'll leave you with this final thought. With the barrier to entry this low, the question isn't if you can get these skills anymore. The real question is, what are you going to do with them? What amazing new projects will you launch? What kind of career will you build? What will you create? The opportunity is right there for the taking. Go get it.